Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable sensitive content on Instagram. This has been updated in the latest version of Instagram where they have automatically turned this off for all accounts on the platform. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to disable this. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Instagram application. Once this is open, you'll be brought to the home screen right here. Once you're on the home screen, what you're going to be doing is clicking on your user profile on the bottom right. And here we're going to be brought to the profile overview where you can see all the different information about our account. From this point, what we're going to be doing is clicking on the burger menu or the three lines on the top right. We're going to be clicking this open. Here we're going to be brought to some extra settings and options for our Instagram. What we're going to be doing is clicking on the top one right here, settings. And here we're going to get some extra information and settings in relation to our account. What we're going to be doing from this point is looking for the option here in the middle called account. You'll see a small little avatar icon next to it. If we select this open, we'll then be brought to some personal information about our account. We're then going to be looking for the option here called sensitive content control. If we click to select this open, here we'll have a couple of extra options for our account. So by default, it will be set to limit, and here you'll get the information that what's going to do is you may see some photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive. So this is the actual new default on Instagram. What we're going to be doing is actually enabling the top one here called allow. You will get this additional pop-up to confirm that this is what you want to do. You simply need to click OK on this pop-up, and here with this option selected, we get the information. You may see photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive. So all you need to do is click allow here, make sure you click OK in the pop-up. And now once you get back out of here, your Instagram should be back to normal. Offensive content should be allowed and nothing should be restricted or hidden from you when using Instagram. So you don't have to worry about any of that anymore. You'll be able to see all posts and you won't need to worry about anything like that. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to allow sensitive content on your Instagram account. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. Anyway guys, until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.